Hello and welcome back to Grade 6 Weekly Test Paper 7 with solutions. Today's test is based on type of fractions. To strengthen your understanding, you can go through our fraction learning series. Check the link in the description below. Today's Weekly Test Paper 7 contains 9 questions without any sections. You can find the solutions to this test in the same video after the solutions to Weekly Test Paper 6. Here there are 4 questions. Here you have the last 2 questions. Now these are solutions to Weekly Test Paper 6. Here are answers to the last 3 questions, 5th, 6th and 7th, and in the case of cost, you can write the answer either in rupees, dollars or pounds. Here are solutions to Weekly Test Paper 7. Answers to question 4 and 5. Here are the last 4 questions, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th. Thanks for completing Weekly Test Paper 7. Hope you found the test and the solutions helpful. Dear Grade 6 students, please share the 100% score strategies for CBSE 10th board exam video with your friends or siblings who are preparing for the Grade 10 board exams on 10th March. It's packed with valuable tips and strategies to help them achieve top marks. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos and updates. Let's spread the knowledge and help each other succeed. Please join me again for my next video on decimal learning series. I wish you all good luck for the upcoming exams.